Hey guys, welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Sims font. So we're going to jump right in. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to type Sims font here. There we go. So there are actually different ones, but I just went down here and found this one on fontsforfree.net. And as you can see, just click on it. In case, I'll also put the link to this font in the description, don't worry, in case you can't find it. But basically, this is the name of the font, Sim LLHP. And now something to keep in mind is that the Sims fonts are obviously different from the first to the fourth Sims. They all have different fonts, and they are also known as custom fonts. So it's a custom logo that has multiple fonts in it. So I will actually in the future look into how to get, for example, the specific Sims 3 or Sims 4 font and how to actually recreate the logo in case you're wondering about that. So I will look into that in the future. But for now, I have a pretty general idea of what a Sims font could be, and that's this one. So we're just going to click on download here to say processing download request. Once that's done, it's just going to appear up here, and so I'm just going to do show in folder. You can see we have it right here in my downloads, so yours is probably also going to go to your downloads. So then when we're here, we can just double click on it, and as you can see here, we have the font file immediately. So this is also called a true type font file. It basically looks like this with the little paper with the little A in the corner. It means it's actually a font file. So just going to double click this. As you can see here, we have the example. What we're going to do then is just click install. The little box will appear, and once it's done, this will be grayed out, and we can actually close this out. So now I'm going to go to Photoshop and actually just simply show you how to use the font. And so once I'm here in Photoshop, I'm actually going to go to File and do New. Now, if you don't have Photoshop, you can actually also make thumbnails and just recreate what I'm doing in Photopea. I have a video if you want up here in the right corner. You could check that out just in case. In the case here, I do advise you to do 920 by 1080, as that is every thumbnail on YouTube. Resolution, I would say 300. Make sure it's an RGB color. The background is actually an option. It's whatever you want. But I will actually put a layer above it afterwards. But let's just click OK here. Just going to zoom this out once. Making by using the zoom tool right here. And basically I'm going to make a shape here. I already have the color blue here prepared. It's pretty similar to the ones they used in some cases in The Sims. Depends which ones, but let's just go for this. I thought it would be nice to, let's just check the corners here, make sure it's in the middle. There we go. Now we're just going to simply add some text here. As you can see, we have this text one right here. Let's actually make this white, and we're going to go to the Sims font, which was of course called the Sim LLHP. I'm going to click on it, and we're obviously going to make this bigger here. We're going to make it to 50. Then we're obviously going to type The Sims right here. You can see, you can also do it in big letters. That's whatever you want, that's up to you. But then once we're done, we can just go ahead and place this in the middle as well. And there you go, as you can see, it's very simple. As I said, this is a pretty general Sims font. It's not like a specific Sims 3 or Sims 4 font. I will do that in a later video. But for now, as you can see, this is a pretty universal Sims font that you could use for multiple thumbnails. Actually recreate the actual text used in the Sims logo, and thus also the thumbnails you're gonna make. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like, would be really nice. Subscribe to us, really nice. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.